tongue cleaning. So in this video, let's look at 5 important health benefits of tongue cleaning. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai, Raja, Namalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Pearls Dentistry. We've got a whole bunch of videos coming out in the next 1 year. So let's look at, before we into the benefits of tongue cleaning, how do we do tongue cleaning? So now we have got various tongue cleansers available. We have got these metal tongue scrapers available. Generally, people were using it in the past, but it can cause more harm to your tongue, can reduce the papilla that is there, that is the taste buds that are there in the tongue. So please don't use metal scrapers. Safest is to use our toothbrush. We have the back of the toothbrush can be used when you have a little bit of a scraper that is available there at the back of the brush. If your bristles are soft, these bristles can also be used to clean your tongue. So how do we clean it? So once we have done our brushing, ensure that using the back of the bristle or the tongue, stick your tongue out, place the bristle on the inner surface of the tongue and then gently scrape it out. Let me do a demo. If this is the tongue, take the brush, apply it at the back of the tongue and gently scrape it out. Once we do this scraping, rinse this in water, let the water keep flowing, rinse this in water, again keep repeating it so that all the surfaces of the tongue are covered. Be gentle, use a motion that is from the back to the front. Never push the debris that is there at the tip of the tongue towards the inside. Don't do that. Always come from the inner to the out and then keep rinsing the brush with water frequently. This is how you do tongue brushing. Now let's look at the 5 benefits of tongue brushing. Once it improves the appearance of the tongue. Our tongue gets coated with food, with deposits. So when you do a tongue cleaning, it improves the appearance of the tongue. 2, it reduces the bacteria that is there in the tongue because we are effectively removing all the harmful bacteria that is accumulating in the tongue. 3, because we have reduced the coating, it removes the bacteria. It helps to improve the taste. Our taste perception becomes much better when our tongue is not coated. So it improves taste. 4, most importantly, reduces bad breath. Most of the coating in the tongue is loaded with bacteria, causes bad breath. Tongue brushing helps to reduce bad breath. 5, most important thing, it not only does and it also improves our overall health. So these are the 5 benefits of tongue brushing. If there are any questions, please do ask in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. If you have not yet started tongue brushing, today is the time to start your tongue brushing. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Until next time, signing off. Bye-bye.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.